Namaste to all of you, Master Jay here. Welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel Jay Yoga Academy. And if you are new onto this channel, please subscribe it for more updates about yoga. So today I will teach you some arm balancing pose. So first of all, I will teach you the crow pose. In this pose, you have to make balance on your hand. So everyone be ready. So first, you can do this pose in different variations. So first of all, I will teach you the simple crow pose. So in this, just bend your leg and put your both knee under your shoulder. Put your hands onto the floor front of your feet, and after that slowly lift your hip up and slightly come front, lift your heels up. Just stay here. So here you have to make a balance and slowly one leg up, and after that try to lift your another leg up. Try to keep your thumbs together and try to look front here. So you have to hold this pose for 10 to 15 seconds, and after that slowly come back. Inhale, exhale. So the same pose, you can do the different variation. If you are a beginner, you cannot do this one. So for that also you can do it. Just open your legs to the side, put your hands here, so you have more place for hold it. Hands onto the floor, heels up, come front here. One leg, second leg. If you also cannot do this one, so also you can drop your head down and also you can lift your legs up here. So in the crow pose, you can do it with different variation also. So first, lift your heels up, come front. Again, one by one, legs up. And if you are able to make the balance, then try to straight your hands here. Very slowly go down and just relax. So the same pose, you can do it on your one leg. So for that, just hands to the floor, put it onto the knee and very slowly leg up. Also you can perform it and then come back. So here you need to use more core strength, and you need to use more your hand strength also. So in the different variation, we can do the same pose. Just drop your one hand elbow down, one hand where your elbow finish, just put the fingers, put your knee on your elbow here, and then slightly up and one leg up. So you can perform this pose and you can make balance and slowly come back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. So this is the crane pose variation. So if you like it, please give me your comments and feedback, and please don't forget to subscribe Jay Yoga Academy. So thank you so much guys. See you into the next video. Hari Om, Namaste.